House. Saket Vesh and Tanishka Sahu with golden radiance of Subhashas. It is not merely a display of synchronized steps, but an embodiment of the core values that our institution upholds. Teamwork, girl, Hanak Bahuja, and Maisha Bashkar. The first contingent moving forward is the show house, led by the house captains Avani Chaturvedi and Shreya Singh Chauhan, marching with pride and unity. Their footsteps in perfect harmony. Shines right through. The second contingent is Mary House, led by the captains Satvik Srivastava and Nishita Singh. Their disciplined step and movement exude energy and strength that define their house. The third contingent is the War House, led by the captains Darshdeep Singh and Ananya Agarwal. They are leading the charge with all their might, unlimited joy and boundless optimism.
फ्रेम में आ रहे सब एक एक मतलब ग्रुप पार्ट पार्ट में नीचे जा कंटिन्यू लेना कंटिन्यू
very special contingent now in the arena, marching with rival cycling. The fifth contingent, the members of the St. Paul's Alumni Association. Leading this dedicated convention with graceful acknowledgement
उतार दो ना
is the President
उतार
of the
पूछ लो
Alumni
हो तो गया
Association, Mr. Ashish Yadav. The individuals following are our own boys and girls from different backgrounds, reminiscing the days spent at this very field. It must be a very special time for each one of them. It is a wonderful homecoming and it will them in this context. This contingent is marching independence and honor of Mr. David Shukla, the former physical training instructor at St. Paul's and mentor of countless students, some of whom are here today, paying tribute to their mentor, whose influence in the lives of the students has been exemplary. This was an initiative that boxing international was an exception in a positive sense. Our beloved Sir Club I request our Honorable Chief Guest to officially inaugurate our sports meet and release the balloons.
Annual athletic meet of St. Paul College, Lucknow Open.
clap
The zone will symbolize freedom, will initiate the oath of allegiance.
We swear that we will take part in the 46th Annual Athletic Meet in all competition with respect to the regulation governing them and that we are desirous of participating in them in the spirit of true sportsmanship for the honor of the college and the glory of sports. College, by the left, forward, march!
वो बैंड का वीडियो और इसके
titled Patriotic Pulse, dressed in vibrant tricolor costumes representing our nation's pride. The children will perform impressive circle formations symbolizing
support every runner, no matter the outcome. The first track event is 200 meters race in the boys category under
Dear parents, perform freely.
Four.
पेपर भी ले जाओ ना तुम दौड़ते हुए एकदम तो
Run your hearts out. So Nehru House leading.
Guest to kindly come up and do the honors.
Boys.
next time gold. Next time at least silver, if not gold. What's your name?
The young sprinters who will light up the track in the 200 meters boys category under 15 are Animesh Chaube from class 9A Tagore House and Harsh Kumar from class 9. Let's cheer for our under 15 champions, fast, fierce and full of determination. Discipline and dedication, and now they stand poised on the track.
Manager, Reverend Father Alvin Mata.
Yes.
Come on girls, lift your... Let's cheer for our under 15 champions, swift, spirited and unstoppable. We introduce the teams.
I'd like to request
Are our swift and dedicated runners. Let's give a round of applause as we introduce the teams. From Ashok House, the participants are Sarthak Shukla from class 12B, Mohammad Usman Hassan from class Harsh House, the participants are Saket Vesh from class 12A, Wes from class 11A, Ananya 12A, Mansi Yadav from class 11A, Mohammad Arshid. Audience, let's boost their spirits. 3, 2, 1. Let's hear a big cheer. Look at the burst of speed. Our sprinter is pulling ahead, leaving the competition in the dust. And there you have it, a thrilling finish, and our champion takes the gold.
In the inter-house mixed relay 4 into 100 meters, open under 15 years.
भैया
Under 11 years. Today's Sports Day is a celebration of effort, perseverance, and the unwavering spirit of sportsmanship.
In the first place, we have Ayu Kumar from Ashok House, was backed by Vishmeet Singh from Subhash House.
Let's the finish line. And it's Ashok House leading. Whose performance truly reflects excellence and
Arifa Nawaz from Ashok House stood first. Kavya Yadav. This is the first call for inter-college relay. Explosion of sunshine yellow and electric blue. Our tiny superstars have morphed into the cutest army of millions you've ever seen. Clad in signature overalls and with
That's why I keep doing yes, that's why I keep doing yes.
Bump. Bump.
स्वास्थ्य को दृष्टिगत रखकर महर्षि पतंजलि ने योग और चित्त वृत्ति में गीता में भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने योगा कर्मसु कौशलम कहकर योग का महत्व प्रतिपादित किया। इस दृष्टि से कर्म हमारे चतुर्थ एवं पंचम कक्षा के विद्यार्थी उपस्थित हो चुके हैं। योगासन की पूर्ण अवस्था में स्फूर्ति के संचार हेतु स्वयं को तैयारी से परिपूर्ण करते हुए तत्पर तैयार एक रंग एक समान अद्भुत प्रथम आसन के लिए अग्रसर सर्वप्रथम उत्कटासन की मुद्रा में उत्कटासन उद्ग्रीवा तीव्र स्वरूपात होकर शक्तिशाली व चुनौतीपूर्ण स्वरूप को दर्शाता है। यह आसन काल्पनिक आसन का अर्थात कुर्सी पर बैठने का भी अनुभव कराता है। जैसा कि दृष्टव्य है द्वितीय आसन की ओर अग्रसर। द्वितीय आसन आत्मविश्वास व करुणा की भावना को बढ़ाता है तथा मुद्रा इसका अपर नाम पर्वतासन भी है। जैसा कि दृश्यमान है पर्वत के समान अचल अडिग मुद्री मदद मिलती है। चतुर्थ एक हस्त पार्श्वभ्रंग या खड़े होकर एक हाथ से झुकने का आसन है। इस मुद्रा से पसलियों के बीच की मांसपेशियों में खिंचाव आता है और फेफड़ों के लिए स्थान बनता है। चतुर्थ पंचमासन बदई पोज या तितली आसन भी कहते हैं। यह सरल इसे हम उस आसन के रूप में भी जानते हैं। उस ऊंट के समान प्रदर्शित संरचना पीठ के निचले हिस्से के दर्द में राहत प्रदान करती है। यह आसन हमारे मन को ऊर्जावान बनाकर ध्यान व एकाग्रता में सुधार करता है। अत्यंत सुंदर एक साथ प्रदर्शन। सप्तम मुद्रा की ओर अग्रसर। सप्तम विपरीत करणी योग मुद्रा। यह एक विपरीत उल्टी मुद्रा है। इसमें दालेट कर पैरों की तरफ से ऊपर की ओर खींचते हुए संतुलन बनाते हैं। होती है। इसके नियमित अभ्यास से नींद की गुणवत्ता में अत्यधिक सुधार होता है। अग्रिम आसन की ओर अग्रसर। अंतिम कड़ी में भुजंगासन। इसे हम कोबरा पोज भी कहते हैं। भुजंग भुजंग सर्प के समान फल उठाए हुए एक साथ एक दृष्टा में अद्भुत सुंदर प्रदर्शन अत्यंत सुंदर अनुभूति कराता हुआ यह मुख्यतः हमारी पीठ दर्द में अत्यंत राहत प्रदान करता है। इसके नियमित अभ्यास के साथ सावधानी पूर्वक 4 अष्टांग योग की 8 मुद्राओं के अंतर योगियों की ध्यान अवस्था में सभी विद्यार्थी ध्यान मग्न शांत सुखद चित्त का अनुभव कराते हुए दूसरी ओर अन्य विद्यार्थी में अलग अलग मुद्रा निर्माण मध्य में बालिका द्वारा हस्त और चरण प्रसरण के साथ एकांगी सुंदर मोहक मुद्रा प्रदर्शित करते हुए अत्यंत सुंदर प्रस्तुति। कठोर अभ्यास इसके निरंतर अभ्यास को प्रकट करती हुई एक साल का बनाते हुए द्वितीय पिरामिड की ओर अग्रसर। इसमें हमें अभिवादन सूर्य नमस्कार तथा नेत्र एवं ग्रीवा के सहयोग से नृत्य की विभिन्न मुद्राओं को प्रदर्शित करती हुई सूर्याकार रचना। अत्यंत सुंदर मुद्राएं। पुनः विद्यार्थी वापस अपनी स्थिति में लौटते हुए अपने को अंतिम तृतीय पिरामिड के लिए तैयार करते हुए पुनः अत्यंत कठिन से सरलत्व प्रदान करते हुए अपने अन्य रूप में नवीन नेत्र साथ ही बांसुरी का कर्णप्रिय व मधुर संगीत वातावरण में अद्भुत मोहकता मादकता भी फील कर रहा है। पूरा अपने स्थान पर वापस आते हुए क्रमशः योगासनों की समाप्ति पर मैं शांति पाठ के साथ अपनी वाणी को विराम देना चाहूंगी। सर्वे भवन।
Let's give them a thunderous round of applause. Our yogis of classes 4 and 5 prove that precision in pose is the path to a healthier and happier life. This is the second ball for foreign.
Show them.
And there they go. Hold the lead. Finish line is calling. The crowd is with you. Run like champions. Come on, runners. Show us the spirit. Final stretch. This is where determination
And do the honors. The winning school.
relay race for girls. In this event, speed meets stamina, precision meets passion, and teamwork becomes the ultimate strength.
Boys.
Showdown, kindly come to the announcement desk. Come on, spectators, let's get louder. Encourage these amazing. You are a champion, no matter the place. Pound the ground, get to the line. And laughter events of our sports day. Cycle Sprint Showdown. Today we have an unusual twist in this exciting race. The wife sits comfortably on the cycle while the husband runs alongside giving it a push. Let's cheer loudly for our sporting parents as they pedal, push and race to the finish line. We are in for a treat, folks. Expect speed, wobbles and probably a few gentle arguments between mum and dad. Let's give it up for our sporting parents. Our participating parents. Mrs. Suman Kumari, Mr. Saurabh Kumar, Mrs. Neha Saurabh Chatwal. The race is on. Who is taking the lead?
Just कैमरा देखना अपना। One looking यहाँ पे।
Waiting parents. Spinning, legs flying, and parents chasing victory like it was the last cookie in the jar. But for sure, our parents brought the fun and stole the show today.
मैम। एक सेकंड। हो गई।
और जल और कपट का ऐसा बादल छाया है, क्रूरता के तेजाब की ऐसी वर्षा हुई कि सारा संसार नरक के दरिये में डूब गया। कलयुग अपनी चरम सीमा पर पहुंच चुका है।
ये मेरा युग है, कली का युग, कलयुग। समंदर सारी दुनिया मेरे अंदर, मेरे इशारे चुकाते सितारे। आत्मा मैं परमात्मा। मैंने नहीं कहा तू जीत जाएगा, मैंने बस कहा तू कर्म कर।
प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड बाज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड बाज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। भान भान शान यागी जान ताओ दान आज धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड बाज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। भान भान शान यागी जान ताओ दान आज धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड
कार्य पद्मनाभ तुल्य है, रण के कण में सिंधु जल शुद्ध है, खंड खंड स्थूल दंड ये प्रचंड युद्ध है, पांचजन्य के ध्वनि में राम कृष्ण बुद्ध है, ये प्रचंड युद्ध है। खंड खंड स्थूल दंड ये प्रचंड युद्ध है,
पांचजन्य के ध्वनि में राम कृष्ण बुद्ध है,
प्रचंड युद्ध है, ये प्रचंड युद्ध है, ये प्रचंड युद्ध है, ये प्रचंड युद्ध है।
इस जंग में जितने जुल्म नहीं उतने सहने की ताकत है। इस जंग में जितने जुल्म नहीं उतने सहने की ताकत है। तानों के भी शोर में रहकर सच कहने की आदत है। मैं सागर से भी कह रहा हूं, मैं सागर से भी कह रहा हूं, तुम कितने कंकड़ फेंकोगे, चुन चुन कर आगे बढ़ूंगा मैं। तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे।
That was powerful and agility by a college gymnasts. This is opening dive.
They are the very naughtiest one in the class.
Watch our young divers spring through the air.
They are busy, eh?
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for a splash of color and a burst of laughter as our gymnastic jesters step onto the arena. These playful performers blend balance with comedy, flips with fun, and creativity with charm.
Next we have the floor exercises. Our gymnasts This is back row, a challenging move that demands balance and coordination. Ability.
This year gymnastic team comprises of Team A Ananya Agarwal, Aditya, Sarthak Yadav, Rishabh Tripathi, Laksh, Mudit, Kartik Nanda.
To To add a touch of flair, let's witness the tank roll, a unique move that combines balance and flexibility. We're in for a treat this afternoon. Let's applaud our gymnasts, dear audience. Move that blends speed and agility, demonstrating smooth and fluid transitions.
सबसे आगे बढ़
Look at our clown. Even while playing the fool, their agility is no joke.
Position themselves and begin to build the pyramid, moving slowly and deliberately, making sure that each gymnast is in the correct position, forming the crowning glory. And confidence. Legs trembling, yet unbreakable. The arc is triumphant.
Catwalk. This exercise is being performed by the students of Team A on the long course. The primary objective of the catwalk is to help gymnasts become At this significant juncture, we would like to place unwavering commitment, meticulous preparations, and tireless efforts behind the scenes have played an instrumental role in ensuring the seamless execution of today's performances. Oversplit. This is being performed simultaneously by both teams. It is highly beneficial for school-going children as it strengthens muscles, improves blood circulation, and enhances overall motor control. And there goes the jesters. Next spring, it is being presented by the students of Team A on the long horse. And heartfelt round of applause. Let's give it up for our gymnasts, our daring gymnasts rather. Nurtured with the enduring belief that tough times never last, but tough people do. It is this very conviction that propels them to rise above challenges and strive for excellence in all their endeavors. Let us acknowledge their dedication, discipline, and courage. To our dear parents and honored audience members, we wish to assure you that this performance is executed under the vigilant guidance of highly trained experts and our PETs. Every safety protocol has been adhered to with utmost care and precision, ensuring the complete well-being of our performers as great and unparalleled determination. They stand before you not merely as performers, but as true champions.
सपनों का अधिकार, आजाद अधिकार,
There's a brown bird in the rain. Tra la 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 la. Bird in the rain. Tra la la la. She looks like a sugar in a plum. Show me emotion. Tra la la la. Show me emotion. Tra la la la. Show me emotion. Tra la la la. She looks like a sugar in a plum. This is Africa. Listen to your God. This is our motto. Your time to shine. Don't wait in line. It almost took over. People are raising their expectations. Don't have fear. This is your moment of hesitation. It's time for Africa. It's time for Africa. I dare you. There's a rhythm, you the whistle, kick the ball, the entire world soars like an eagle. You go betray, like a dance, only today. There's no tomorrow, go behind, in this place. There's no space for fear or sorrow. Is it true that you want it? Then act like you mean it. With everyone watching, it's true, but can you feel it? I dare you. moves, every twirl, every smile was pure magic.
Displays a celebration of your children's hard work and dedication. So we would request to kindly witness the display till the end. The energy for the upcoming exercises. Set of exercises in the circle formation. Coming up first is the shoulder press. This exercise is excellent for building shoulder and upper body strength. Regular practice of the shoulder press also boosts bone density and support.
Your parents, you're requested to kindly be seated. You are hindering the view of the others.
Exercise. The workout enhances upper body strength, supports daily functional movements. Chest press exercise. This movement supports better mood, tightness in the sides of the torso, hips and lower back. Biceps with shoulder, an exercise that children will return to their lines and proceed with the remaining exercises which focus on leg strength and lower body development. The next exercise is half squats. This movement increases strength and power in the hamstrings and glutes. It is especially beneficial for school-going children as it supports healthy growth. The next exercise is lunges. This movement helps build lower body strength by increasing the glutes, hamstrings and calves. Are particularly beneficial as they enhance balance, strengthen the muscles needed for daily activities. Today's theme, Fitness Mantra Dumbbell Workout. Their perfect coordination, energy and confidence showcased not only physical strength but also remarkable discipline and teamwork. A big round of applause for these young fit.
Thank you.
again, adding to the grandeur of the moment, is the distinguished contingent of our alumni, whose presence symbolizes the enduring spirit and legacy of our institution. Their participation stands as a reminder Congratulations, dear students, on presenting a truly remarkable display. You have once again demonstrated your ability to exceed expectations, particularly on this final day, by showcasing your finest efforts with commendable discipline and enthusiasm. Your performance captivated the audience throughout, revealing not only your technical skill but also with impeccable precision and remarkable poise, leaving a lasting impression on every student for your hard work, dedication and exemplary conduct. With this uplifting and appreciative note, we bring this eventful afternoon to a dignified close. As the dusk descends, it ushers in new challenges, renewed at each ending, gracefully paves the way for a new beginning. I now have the distinct honor of inviting our illustrious chief guest to address the gathering.
It's an absolute honor to be here, and such a pleasure to see the alumni march passing with the students. So big round of applause for the alumni to be here. Thank you, Father Pauline, for the invite for the annual sports day, and to be compared for the kind words for me. So मेरे प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स और ये सारे जो प्राउड पेरेंट्स आज एनुअल डे के लिए यहाँ आए हुए हैं, आप सबको मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। सबसे पहले मैं कहना चाहूँ कि मैं इवेंट का नाम सुन के बहुत खुश हुआ, फिटनेस मंत्रा, मच रिक्वायर्ड इन दिस डे। आजकल की बहुत बड़ी जरूरत है, जहाँ बीमारी, ओबेसिटी, ओवरवेट, हाइपरटेंशन, डायबिटीज, सब किस्म की बीमारियां, कैंसर हमको हो रहा है। मैं एक्चुअली कॉलेज का नेक्स्ट डोर नेबर हूँ। कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा घर कॉलेज का एक्सटेंशन है और मैं कुछ क्लासेस अटेंड कर रहा हूँ। एंड एक्चुअली वंस इन अ व्हाइल यू आर वेलकम टू वॉक इन। और मैं कॉलेज और सेमिनरी के बारे में कुछ पढ़ रहा था, तो मैंने देखा कि सेमिनरी 1940 में रिलीज हुई थी, एस्टैब्लिश हुई थी, जबकि कॉलेज 1957 में एस्टैब्लिश हुआ था कैथोलिक डायोसीस ऑफ लखनऊ की तरफ से। और मुझे आपकी वेबसाइट देख के बहुत खुशी हुई, जहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, एंड आई कोट, besides catering the academic course of the students, the college attaches great importance to physical training, sports and other co-curricular activities. Having extensive playfields for hockey, football, cricket, volleyball, basketball, badminton and athletics. Students are trained to share some life experiences with you. Being a sports person myself, sports ने मुझे कैसे मोल्ड किया, मेरी लाइफ में कैसे असर किया। हमारे टाइम पे पेरेंट्स ज़्यादा स्पोर्ट्स को इनकरेज नहीं करते थे। माय ब्रदर बिकेम एन इंजीनियर एंड सो बाय डिफॉल्ट मुझे बताया गया कि आपको डॉक्टर बनना है, एंड आई बिकेम वन। आई वाज फेयरली गुड इन स्पोर्ट्स एज टू प्ले फुटबॉल, हॉकी, and it was such a pleasure seeing all of you on the ground. Athletics, badminton, table tennis. I played table tennis for Chandigarh, sub-junior, junior. Squash, I went in to play squash for services, but हिम्मत नहीं होती थी फादर को बोलने के मैं स्पोर्ट्समैन बनना चाहता हूँ, I want to follow it as a career. I am so happy today the students, the children are in a position to tell their parents कि मैं स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन बनना चाहता हूँ. पेरेंट्स आजकल ऑल्टरनेट करियर्स एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, स्पोर्ट्स, म्यूजिक. कोई कहता है मैं बावर्ची बनना चाहता हूँ, वो भी एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री, लॉयर. सो दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग. दूसरी बात, पहले सिर्फ क्रिकेट पे जोर होता था, आजकल यू सी इंडियंस डू सो मेनी स्पोर्ट्स. आज मैं लक्ष्य सेन का मैच देख रहा था, ऑस्ट्रेलियन ओपन में ही वन द सेमीफाइनल, रीच्ड द फाइनल. And sports also gives a lot of dignity and money, which one cannot do without. So that's a very good thing which is happening in Indian sport. इससे भी ज़्यादा और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ जो मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ, स्पोर्ट्स आपको जीतना सिखाता है, बट स्पोर्ट्स आपको हारना और हारने के बाद दोबारा उठना सिखाता है. ये किसी और चीज़ में नहीं. This is one thing which I have learned from my sporting career. आज जैसे मैंने देखा कुछ बच्चे पीछे रह गए, and I was telling them also, जिसको ब्रॉन्ज मिला है you must try for silver, जिसको सिल्वर मिला है try for gold. So always come back stronger. This is one great thing about sports, and this reflects in real life. business में, आपके काम में कभी अप होगा कभी डाउन होगा. आज मैं सुबह ऑपरेट कर रहा था and there was a difficult case. I struggled, but I said कि next case I'll do it better. So मैं एक सर्जन हूँ, एक GI सर्जन, पेट का सर्जन. We do gallbladder, liver, intestine surgeries, transplants. इसमें 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 घंटे तक खड़े रहना पड़ता है, काफ़ी चैलेंजिंग. स्टैमिना लगता है, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग लगती है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग लगती है, डिसीजन मेकिंग लगती है, क्रिटिकल मोमेंट्स. और मैं देखता हूँ कि मैंने जो भी स्पोर्ट्स खेला है उससे भी मुझे इसी में हेल्प किया है. आपका स्टैमिना बिल्ड होता है, आपकी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. आप कोई गेम खेल रहे हैं, बैडमिंटन में लाइन के बाहर शॉट गिर रही है, लाइन पे गिर रही है, डिसीजन मेकिंग, एवरीथिंग इज रिफ्लेक्टेड इन योर रियल लाइफ. सो ये मुझे एक स्पोर्ट्स की चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगी, एंड मैं कोशिश करता हूँ अपनी लाइफ में इम्बाइब करना. एक और बात स्पोर्ट्स की है कि हर बार आप इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो आजकल मैं गोल्फ सीख रहा हूँ, और कर्नल आज़ाद जो मेरे साथ आए हैं बहुत ही उम्दा स्पोर्ट्समैन है. तो ये मुझे बताते हैं कैसे हर शॉट के लिए इम्प्रूव करना है. और मैं सर्जरी में भी कोशिश करता रहता हूँ. तो यहाँ कहीं आपके पीछे से कर्नल पवन बैठे हैं, बेस हॉस्पिटल के सर्जन हैं, मैं उनके साथ ऑपरेट कर रहा था. तो हम हर्निया की एक नई टेक्निक कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So this is another good thing about sports. Every time it teaches you to learn something new, a new technique, a new philosophy. आजकल के माहौल से रिलेटेड, आजकल लाइफ बहुत इंडिविजुअल हो गई है. लोग अलग-अलग रूम में मोबाइल फोन पे बात कर रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स से सेम घर में बैठे हुए, डाइनिंग टेबल पे सब अपना मोबाइल पे देख रहे हैं. कई आपने पोस्ट भी इसमें देखे होंगे. So as a doctor, I can tell you, they are looking for artificial posts, they are looking for a like, a tick. So this releases a chemical called dopamine, which gives you a high. Oh, इसका आ गया. So if there is nothing on the mobile also, you keep saying it. किसी ने respond किया या नहीं किया. But I must tell you, when you win a race, or you score a goal, or you win a point, or you smash and you win, or win a tournament, वो जो dopamine release होता है, वो जो खुशी मिलती है, वो कोई आपको सोशल पोस्ट की लाइक नहीं दे सकती. दैट हाई, दैट इंस्पिरेशन यू गेट, जो फ्रेंड्स से शाबाशी मिलती है. और रिमेंबर माय कॉलेज डेज, स्कूल डेज, आफ्टर विनिंग द रेस एवरीबॉडी वाज मीटिंग एंड ग्रीटिंग ईच अदर. दैट हाई नथिंग एल्स कैन गिव यू. तो ये प्लीज याद रखना. आल्सो प्लेइंग टुगेदर tells you about sharing space in a football match, hockey, squash. You are अपना हक भी जमा रहे हैं स्पेस पे, and दूसरे को भी दे रहे हैं when he is doing, when he is playing better. This is another great thing which sports teaches you, and you must. इसलिए मैं सारे जितने पेरेंट्स हैं यहाँ पे और जो नहीं हैं उनको भी करने के लिए अपने बच्चों को स्पोर्ट्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एनकरेज करें. एक लास्ट बात मैं बताना चाहता हूँ. Anybody can tell me 2047 में भारत किस चीज़ की बात कर रहा है? Anybody? Head boy, head girl, 2047. Very good. Viksit Bharat. So anybody, what are the goals of Viksit Bharat? So it says zero poverty, कोई गरीबी नहीं, 100% good quality education, सब शिक्षित, skilled workforce, कुशल कार्यबल. एक चीज जो मिसिंग है वो है, and I think somewhere repeatedly compared was also saying EMC, health is wealth. That is missing. आज 140 to 145 करोड़ की आबादी में 10 to 15 करोड़ Indians are diabetic, 20 crore are hypertensive, 25%, that means 30 to 35 crore Indians are obese or overweight. So this goal of 2047 we can't achieve if we are overweight, obese, diabetic, hypertensive, heart disease, CVA. एक छोटा सा दाम दर्द होता है, बुखार होता है, you feel the world has come to an end. So please remain healthy, and one of the most important things ways to remain healthy is sports. Sportsman अपना diet भी control करता है, अपने आप को fit रखता है. I am happy to see so many of the staff, the fathers, the parents, the students very fit in this college. So a big round of applause for all of you, and please remain in that. Please remain away from fast food, from sweets, from drinking. Once in a while I allow you. पेरेंट्स को ये भी apprehension होता है कि मेरा बच्चा खेलेगा तो शायद अच्छा पढ़ाई नहीं होगा. But I can give you a lot of examples. I have seen Anil Kumble, he is an engineer. Saina Nehwal, she has been a very high achiever in her studies. Vijay Pai is the Olympic hockey medalist, father of Neeraj Pai. He is a doctor. Rahul Dravid holds a degree in MBA. Anju Bobby George, she holds a degree in English literature. The list can go on. There is a table tennis player, Satyan. He is an engineer from St. Joseph's College in Chennai. Finally, friends, I have made an acronym for you. Parivarni Shabd from St. Paul. So S is sports. You remember that? You have to follow this. S is sports. I'll request Father Pauline and his team to follow it with more vigor. Introduce more sports. Ahmedabad College may introduce some coaches who can train you to be better. T from Saint T is teamwork, training and toughness. Results will come on their own. P is persistence and patience. So as I was telling you, Colonel Azad is teaching me golf. He tells me to be persistent and patient with my shots. That is in Hindi, Dritha, Atalta or Dharya. A is action, not words. You have to do it. आज सर्दी है, आज गर्मी है, आज दिल नहीं कर रहा, आज खेलने जाएंगे, nothing doing. आज वॉक खेलने जाएंगे, आज पकौड़े बनाएंगे. No. You have to have a sporting routine and please follow that. You utilize your time well, distribute your time, be creative, don't get into negativity, restrict your social media time. L, live healthy, good diet, remain away from sugars, soft drinks, mithai, fat, tali huई चीजें, samosa, all of which are India's favorites. Take them in very great moderation. And to conclude, I say, education provides knowledge, critical thinking and career opportunities, while sports builds physical health, discipline, teamwork, character and also gives career opportunities. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों और पेरेंट्स, आज ये प्रण करना है कि पढ़ाई के साथ खेल के कंबाइन करके हम अपने जीवन की कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव फाउंडेशन बनाएंगे फॉर पर्सनल growth, mental and physical well-being and success in all areas of life. So AMC Central College and अपनी तरफ से Saint Paul College and Seminary को all the best. And thank you for my band for being there and giving a wonderful display. A round of applause for them. Jai Hind.
Gratitude for your eloquent and inspiring words of praise, encouragement and affirmation for us. Thank you, Father, for graciously bestowing the honor of this exclusive creation crafted with care and sentiments serves as a cherished emblem of their unforgettable years at St. Paul's. Following ceremonial memento resplendent in its significance as an expression of deep respect, admiration and
elevate even the simplest of moments, for a thankful heart opens our eyes to the countless blessings that surround us each day. It is with this spirit of appreciation that I extend my sincere thanks to our esteemed chief guest, Major General Kanwarjit Singh. Sir, we are truly honored and deeply privileged to have been graced by your distinguished presence this evening. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to Reverend Father Alvin Mata, manager of St. Paul's College, for gracing the occasion with his benign presence. I further wish to acknowledge the presence of our distinguished guests, including the heads of various institutions, revered priests and sisters. Your gracious presence has added dignity and warmth to this occasion, and for that we are profoundly grateful. A special word of appreciation is also extended to the AMC Pipe Band. Your inspiring presence has added splendor to the efforts of the student contingents from the four houses and has greatly enhanced the ceremonial grandeur of the evening. We also extend our gratitude to the military police unit for their invaluable assistance in managing traffic and ensuring smooth movement throughout the event. Your support has been indispensable. Above all, we express our heartfelt thanks to the in-charges and students of all participating teams. Your enthusiastic participation has truly fostered a spirit of healthy competition, camaraderie, and sportsmanship. My sincere gratitude also goes out to the members of Alumni Association for their heartwarming display of loyalty, affection, and pride for their alma mater. Your continued connection with the school is both inspiring and deeply cherished. To our dear parents, we offer our warmest thanks for your unwavering support. It is because of your encouragement and faith that our children have been able to participate wholeheartedly and learn invaluable lessons of harmony, discipline, and mutual understanding. Finally, I extend my hearty congratulations to all our students and the entire staff for presenting a truly spectacular program. Your dedication, perseverance, and tireless effort have indeed paid off. Thank you.
This is an act that signifies the dignified conclusion of the 46th Annual Athletic Sports Meet. now present the flag to the 4 house captains. Formal and reverent folding of the flag. Upon the completion of the ceremonial duty, the head girl will respectfully place the folded flag in the hands of our distinguished chief guest, Major General Kanwarjit Singh. The chief guest was honored safekeeping until the commencement of the 47th annual athletic meet. With this stately and significant exchange, the chief guest hereby declares the 46th annual sports meet officially and ceremonially closed. I now request the august gathering to kindly rise for the rendering of the national anthem.
Hello. 46th annual athletic meet of St. Paul's College, Lucknow closed, and looking forward to the 47th.
Indispensable. Above all, we express our heartfelt thanks to the in-charges and students of all participating teams. Your enthusiasm.
Reaches for St. Paul's College. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! College strategies.
May we also respectfully ask our We will now proceed with the announcement of results for the March Pass and Drill Display competition.